I believe that every human has a finite amount of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine running around doing exercises. It suddenly struck me that that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. Research is creating new knowledge. Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon. July 1969 AD. We came in peace for all mankind. I think we're going to the moon, because it's in the nature of the human being to face challenges. It's by the nature of his deep inner soul. We're required to do these things just as salmon swim upstream. The important achievement of Apollo was demonstrating that humanity is not forever chained to this planet, and our visions go rather further than that, and our opportunities are unlimited. Geologists have a saying, "Rocks remember." I guess we all like to be recognized not for one piece of fireworks, but for the ledger of our daily work. I thought the attractions of being an astronaut were actually not so much the moon, but flying in a completely new medium. Gliders, sailed planes, they're wonderful flying machines. It's the closest you can come to being a bird. It's a brilliant surface in that sunlight. The horizon seems quite close to you, because the curvature is so much more pronounced than here on Earth. It's an interesting place to be. I recommend it. In much of society, research means to investigate something you do not know or understand.